Okay, this is part 2. So like I said, checking through my stuffs, I found 2 and MOSFET. Don't laugh about, I am the one who's always recycling. So these 2 transistors, as you can see, they had a leg missing. And with the help of a Dremel, I could fix it. How? Let me show you. You see, let's see. So this is a broken transistor now, evidently, let's say, even worse than this. You can't do anything with this guy. It's broke from the, like this, you see? Really, really, really bad. So I took my Dremel. You don't have to go too much. And you see, expose that part, that piece of copper. And the best is to use one of this kind of wires, multi wire, may I call it, instead of a single wire, because this is better to spread it, to spread here and of course flux, you see, very nice, really nice blob of flux. And there we are, you see. And this is a perfect functional heavy, it's really, really nice. We can use it without any problem. Okay, but of course there is another but. Of course, this one also needs a little bit of extra wiring. We are very good there. Now, let me see if my recycled transistors are passing the test. Come on. I really recommend you a device like this. It's so good for checking the parts. Alright, so we have an N MOSFET, and I can tell you this is IRF 3205. Let me see. The original had 65 amps at 25 degrees here at 10 volts, 100 degrees with 46 amps, and pulse drain current 260 amps. Okay, let's see this guy. IRF 3205 at 25 degrees, 10 volts, 110 amps, much better than 65. Then at 100 degrees, 80 amps, and this is 46, better. Pulsed drain current 390 amps, the 260 here. So generally power dissipation 200 watts. And this is power dissipation 330 watts. This is a little bit smaller, but the amps are pretty good. Some of the things here are better, some of the things are worse. We'll see. And this is the other one. So what we got here? Drain source 68 volts. This is great. Gate source 20 volts. Drain pulsed 392 amps. It's a little bit lower than the originals, but we'll see what's happened. So far this transistor is good. Let's see this one. I know they are looking like Frankenstein, but they are good to go. They are working. Perfect. We got 2 good transistors ready to be placed in the inverter. I really don't know the schematic of this one. I really don't know what are these transistors doing here. If they are the input or the output, I really don't know. But I'll give a try anyway. Of course, with a good cooling. That will be very, very important. That's the position. Finally, this is done. Very good. Are we okay here? I think so. Let me measure this. Yeah, I think we are good. Both transistors are back in place. Let me have some measurements here. Diode mode, we are very good. And the other guy, yes, and 0.65. This is good. Job is done. All we have to do now is to have some thermal paste. Okay, very nice there. Okay, so we are looking good for now. The transistors are back in place, everything is fine here. Now I have to repaste these guys. Okay, let me have the bottom. Oh yeah, this one comes up here. Thermal paste. This one was with the plastic. Luckily it's not so important, but it was with the plastic on top. Okay, that should be the position here. Let me see about the brackets. Kind of tricky with these brackets. Everything's okay here. The rest of these guys. Oh yeah, so everything is back in place. Obviously it's 9 o'clock in the night, so no more sunshine for today. All I have to do now is to wait for tomorrow morning and to see if my fixing is working or not. Hopefully it's working. I really hope so. And if it's working, then it will be a great achievement, because I've been using and reused some transistors and some parts which instead of this should go to the bin. Okay, so here I am. I'm gonna put all the screws together and see you in the morning. In the morning I just had a 270 watts in fact production for today, but when I was trying to check the things again and to do some settings here, look, same story. So it's looking like one of the transistor, maybe both of them, they just got burned right now, you know, and it wasn't enough power. As far as I saw it, it was around 200 watts. It should deliver some more, but of course it's not such a sunny day today, but it's obviously another clear short. Look there, there's the panel, and it's looking like I have to order some proper MOSFETs transistor and to open it up again and do all the mambo jumbo. Well, things happens. At least I know what I have to do now, and hopefully next time I'll do it in a proper way. Thank you for watching. I hope it's useful, and please don't forget, have some fun, like, subscribe, and I'll be back. Bye bye.